Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix PC is on but no signal to monitor and display. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, there are multiple reasons why your monitor doesn't read your specific computer. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to try to narrow it down, okay, so that you'll understand. So first up, monitor settings, okay, for display selection. All right. So this is the first topic. You'll have a knob, okay, in front or at the back of your monitor, which you could go ahead and use, okay, and toggle it, and sometimes can be found behind, okay, or in front of the monitor. Just go ahead and look for the setting to set it up to whatever cable you have. For example, you have HDMI, make sure that the display source is set to HDMI. If it's set to or if your cable is a display port, make sure that it is set to display port as well. Or you could just go ahead and turn on auto, yeah, as most modern monitors have this feature, okay? So once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Also, make sure if you do have a graphics card, okay, plugged in to your computer, okay, make sure that you use the graphics card's ports, not the CPU or motherboard's port. Okay, so some motherboard offers HDMI, or sometimes I don't know if DisplayPort is available, okay, but VGA is available. So do not use the ones from the top. If you have a graphics card, use the graphics card port. Enter the HDMI or enter the display port right here, or DVI or VGA, okay, and plug it into your monitor. All right. Also, make sure that your specific graphics card is seated correctly. Now, to know that you have seated your graphics card correctly, you will hear a click. Okay, that means it's locked. All right. So if it's not locked, it will not work and will result to no posting. So you may be able to see that your computer is running, okay, everything, or the fan, colors, RGB, or whatever is running. But you'll see a red light if your motherboard supports it. That means it doesn't post. Another reason for that is by not seating the RAMs correctly. Let's say, for example, you have two RAMs, okay? Or RAM sticks, as you may call it. You could go ahead and try placing just one RAM, okay, from A1. Just one RAM. Try it out. Remove every RAM that you have. Leave the A1 RAM. And then go ahead and turn it on. After that, check if it helps. If it works, go ahead and add in the second RAM to B1. Okay? A1 and B1. Now after that, turn it on and check if it works. If it works, well, you're good to go. If that will work, try A2. And then if A2 works, try B2 with it. If you have two RAMs, A2 and B2. All right? Now, if that still won't work, all right, you can go ahead and find the CMOS battery from your motherboard. Every computer got this. So unplug your computer from the outlet, of course, drain the power if you can. And then once done, just push this coin-like thing, battery, just push it away. And then once it's removed, okay, leave it for about 2 minutes, 10 minutes. All right. And then once that's done, plug it back in, turn on your computer, and you should be good to go. That's basically it. If your PC is brand new, just ensure that your GPU, CPU, motherboard, or whatever peripherals that is in your motherboard is connected properly. All right? And that's how you fix PC if it's on, but no signal to monitor the display. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.